Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, imagine taking any video and replacing the person inside it with you. Yes, you heard that right. Pixverse just launched its brand new swap tool, and it is absolutely insane. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change faces in videos in just a few clicks. So get ready. This feature is a total game changer. Once you log in, you will see a dashboard like this. So now let's move to the exciting part. Recently, Pixverse launched its swap tool, which allows you to swap a person in a video with another person. For example, let me show you how it works. First, I will upload my target video. To try the swap feature, I'll upload a target video. This time, I'm using a movie scene. After uploading, I'll go to the target element section. For this example, I'll choose the person, but you can also select things like a car, the background, or any other object you want. And now I need to upload the image I want to replace it with. You don't need to type any prompt here. Just choose your panel settings, set the resolution, select the V5 model, and hit the Create button. The processing will begin, and you just have to wait for it to finish. And here you can see the final result.
Guess you weren't expecting it.
What the hell is going on?
We have now reached the junction.
Well, I guess the surgery didn't go so well.
You've passed away, Larry.
Who are you?
I'm Anna. I'm your afterlife coordinator.
That's not a job.
And this is the junction, where you choose one place to spend eternity.
You want a little sniffle?
So yes, you can swap videos very easily using Pixverse.ai. Now let's move on to the other features. Here we have image, video template, transition, extend, and many more. First, I will try the image tool. You can upload an image or simply enter a prompt to generate one. You can do image to image or text to image. I will choose text to image. And finally, select the model. This time I'll select Nano Banana Pro. Select the number of images, choose aspect ratio, resolution. I will enter my prompt, hit the generate button, wait for a moment, and here you can see my image is ready according to the prompt. Now I will generate a video by using a text prompt. I'll click on the video option, so I will enter the prompt. Select duration, aspect ratio, and resolution, and choose the model Volume V5 first. Hit generate, let it process, and here you can see the new video is ready exactly according to my prompt. You can edit it further, upscale, extend, add style, sound, and more. Next, we have the template feature. If you want, you can create videos using pre-made templates. There are kiss templates, old photo templates, Christmas templates are also available. I will upload an image. No need to write any prompt, just choose duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, then hit create. It will process, and here you can see my new video is ready based on the template. Next, I will try the Another Christmas template and upload the girl image. And hit the generate button. You can easily create image to video template videos. Next, we have transition. If you want to add transitions between images or videos, simply upload your media, enter your prompt, and hit create. Your transition video will be ready. Next, we have the extend feature. With this tool, you can increase your video duration very easily. Just describe what you want to extend in the video. First, I will enter my prompt, then I will upload the video. I want to add 8 more seconds to my clip. Right now, my video is 8 seconds long, and I'm extending it to 16 seconds. So I will click the Create button, and Pixverse will start processing it. Once it's done, I'll open the result, and as you can see, the duration is now 16 seconds. You can extend your videos like this in just a few clicks. Next, we have the Fusion tab. If you want to fuse any image with a style, you can try this feature. For example, we have templates like beach, model, puppy, forest, and many more. And although uploading an image is optional, I will upload one. Then I will hit the generate button. And as you can see, the results are ready. So with Pixverse.ai, you can easily create images, videos, face swaps, and swap videos. Make sure to try it out. Its new features are a complete game changer. The link is available in the description. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.